Hey guys, finally got a chance to get back out on the Fineline 4x4. Took a little bit of a break from this machine. I had to try to really figure out this CAD program, Mach 3. Get a little bit better understanding. I had some other projects I had to get done. Sorry it took so long to get back to this, but I figured it's about time. I noticed Nate at Fineline has another machine, which is a Saturn series, which is a beast. Looks like a beast. He has a 2x4 and I believe a 4x4. Looks like an awesome router. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, this is the take 2 of the first cut on this. For some reason Mach 3 was quitting right in the middle of the G code. I don't know why. This is a paid version by me, so I'm not sure what's going on. Hopefully that's not going to do that on this one. I'm going to run the compressor air on this, so you may hear the compressor going in the background. But what I'm going to do is cut a test for the track to make sure they fit before I do the full table bed here. I have my feed rate set at 70. On the initial pass it worked out really good. Spindle speed is set at 16,000. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the air in. And again, it's this switch right here. I can turn it on or off at will, so the compressor doesn't kick on and off too often. What I'm going to do is try to get this blown out here. What I'm going to do here right now is just set the auto tool 0, so you can see this plate that I made work. And then I already have the X and Y zeroed out, so here we go. Probably should redo that and hold that. Let me go ahead and pause this. That moved up on these, so we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Bill Griggs makes a XYZ 0 plate. I think I may buy that thing. It's like $77. Just put it on the corners here. It measures your X, Y, and your Z and auto zeros. So if I get that, I'll do a short little video on it. He has some out, but we'll go ahead and key the go to 0 here. All right. So sorry for the finger there. Let me go ahead and hook the air up and we'll get going. Alright, got the air hooked up here. That hose seems to leak a little bit. I don't like that fitting too much, but let's go ahead and get this started and see what happens. It's going to tell me to do a tool change. Not sure why it's doing that either, but let's go ahead and hit cycle start. Hopefully this thing's not going to quit in the middle of this G-code, but let's see what happens. Water cooling. Went ahead and switched the air off to get the compressor off. Coming up a little short on my y-axis. I think I mismeasured. Final cuts. And there you have it. Shuts the air off. Water. I do notice a little anomaly here, and that's spindle's very heavy. I may end up putting a ball screw in here. I can see it drop down, but I'm not losing steps or anything. But initially, it's pretty heavy. I think it's too heavy for the regular lead screw type deals here. So let me get the track and see if it fits. I had to widen the dimensions. I'm hoping that's going to be the case. Not quite sure what's going on, but still a little bit too narrow. I have to measure it out and probably make sure my calibration on my axis are correct. The measurements seem to be right. I'm reading in Mach 3 what the dimensions should be, but I'm coming up just a tad short. But at any rate, that's the first cut. Everything seemed to work out fine. Once I get everything all straightened up and make sure these dimensions are correct, then I'll cut these tracks. Then I'm going to slide this out hopefully within a couple of weeks or so and do a final video, do something on the assembly like I said I was going to do, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.